everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe with you guys that I've been finding all over the internet, and this is something I wanted to try for a while now, and we will test this recipe today and see if it's tasty or trashy. Now let's move on to the video. Now it's actually said that you have to whisk this mixture about 400 times, and I'm not gonna do 400 times. The mixture is slowly starting to dissolve and it's all getting frothy. Now we just keep mixing and mixing until, if you are lactose intolerant, you can just add this froth into your glass, pour a cup of water and drink it. But the only thing is, now as you can see, a mixture is slowly getting really frothy. This mixer is really good, but it's actually making the place kind of messy because it just randomly throws coffee in every direction, and if you don't catch it properly, then alright, just keep whisking until you get that soft peaks on your coffee. I kept the coffee for some time aside, and if you can see it, it forms really soft and fluffy and shiny peaks, and it is so good to look at. This is how you should get your froth as, and this is what is the main component of the Dalgona coffee. You need the froth. The froth is everything in this coffee. Now let's go and get some milk. I would make this for the rest of my life if I can. This is just too good, and this is the recipe in quarantine, and I can't blame anyone because this just looks too good. This is just way too good to be real. Now, I think I added a bit too much of water, which is why it's still a bit runny, but you can always add your water in portions to check how much you want it, and you can also increase the size of sugar intake if you are a sugar lover. And if you want a really bitter coffee, you can add a lot of coffee powder, but I don't really like bitter coffees that much, which is why I added a little bit of coffee. Now, this is, by looks, this is really good. And you can also make really good designs on top if you have a drop of milk. Now, I'm just going to slowly mix it in and do the taste test. I'm really excited for this one because this is a recipe that I've been seeing everywhere, and I've been dying to try this and share it with you guys. Now, let's just see how it is. The thing I really like about this is it actually forms a layer on top separately, like the milk is in one layer and the foam, the dalgona, is in another layer, and it just looks so beautiful. And I don't know, I'll have to give it a 10 on 10 for looks. Let's just mix this and drink it. Now, if you add a bit of milk, as you can see, it forms really good designs. If you know how to make designs, I don't. So let's just mix it and drink it fast. If you can see, this dalgona is still really frothy and it still stays on top, how much ever I try to mix it. Now let's do the taste test. Okay, it tastes really good, and it is obviously a tasty, not a trashy. This is one recipe that everyone has to try at home. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like it. Comment down what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.